Good morning, everybody. Excuse me. Another really hot day here. Humidity is just terrible. I'm sweating bullets, and it's going to be 8:45. Waiting for my son to come. He's coming to visit me today. Woo-hoo. Can't wait to see my Chris, my baby Chris. No, he's no baby. He's in his mid-40s. Okay, everybody. This is Budget Meals Under $5. That's right, Budget Meals Under $5. And I'm the host, Brenda, Maniac Grammy's Homestead. And this is an open collab. Anybody can join. What you do is you make a meal, drink, hors d'oeuvres, snacks, whatever you want, under $5. You can make it or you can just show it and tell about it, whatever you would like. I'd like for you to post on Wednesdays, but if you can't post on Wednesdays, you can post any time of the week. Just please let me know and link my channel so I can watch you. I don't want to miss it. I want to make sure I give credit where credit is deserved. So let's get started. Everything will be down in the description box below. We're making a chicken and rice easy meal today. We're not making it, I'm going to show it to you. A bowl in the bag, right here, brown rice. I like white rice better and Ray likes brown. We should eat brown, so that's what we're doing. We're going to use a large can, a 12.5 can of chicken breast with a rib, chunky. You want it chunky and you just want to drain the juice. We're going to have a side order of cut green beans, and we're going to use a can of cream of chicken condensed soup. This was bought at Family Dollar for $1. This was bought at Walmart for 64 cents. Now the chicken you can buy in a 4-pack. Let me see, the 4-pack is $8.72. That's the way I buy mine, which comes out to $2.18 a can. But if you want to go and just buy one can at Walmart, it's $2.78. Now, the bowl in the bag, you get 4 bags, and that's $1.56 for 4 bags, or 39 cents a bag. Now, this bag will feed 3 people. Ray gets a good honkin' serve, and me, I just have a little bit, and there's still some left over. Now, the bag says, let's see what the bag, it says about 8 servings per container, a half a cup each. And then how you need to do this is about a quart of water, and then you put the rice bag into bowl for about 10 minutes. Yes, Maggie, Mom will be done in a minute. Then you remove the water with a fork and then you open it. Or you can microwave it in a 2-quart, 1 bag for about 10 minutes on high. Now, I tried to give you a meal that's not going to heat your house up with this extreme heat. So what you're going to do is you're going to boil a bag of this, and while that's boiling, you're going to open your can of green beans and warm that up. And this here, you can drain the juice, and the cream of chicken, warm these 2 up. So when this is all done, you got your rice, and then you're gonna put your chicken breast chunks on top of the rice, and then you're gonna pour the cream of soup on it, and then you're gonna have a side dish of green beans. So that's the meal for today. It's under $5. It's $4.21. This here says you can get 3.5 servings. 3.5 on this, so that equals out great. And this you get 3.5. So there you go. Like I said, 3 servings. Bingo. Okay, everybody, have a great day. Please come on over, join everybody else that's in this collab, and I would love to see you join in. I like to see this grow if possible. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you on my next video. Bye now.